Welcome Year 6 students. The learning outcomes for today's lesson is: let's take a look at these papers. They are two pieces of papers that are exactly the same. They have the same weight, size, thickness, and the same shape. Now we are going to see what's going to happen if we drop both the papers at the same height. As you can see, they reach the ground at the same time. Okay, this time we'll scrunch up one of the papers, changing the shape of the paper. Do you think this will change the weight of the paper if one is scrunched up? The answer is no. We are just changing the shape and the size of the paper, but the weight of the paper will still remain the same. Now, let's try to drop these two pieces of paper at the same time from the same height. Which paper do you think would reach the ground first? From what you can see, the scratched up paper reaches the ground first. Why do you think that these two pieces of paper that has the same weight and was dropped at the same height would have a different fall rate? Now let's take a look at another example. Here we have two materials of the same size but different weight. One is a cardboard which is thicker and heavier, and the other is a paper which is thinner and lighter. Similarly, we are going to drop these two materials at the same time from the same height. As we can see, the cardboard can be seen touching the ground first. Why do you think this happens? Right, now let's have a look at this scenario. A soldier wants to jump off an airplane and he has two choices. One is to jump off without any equipment and the other is to jump off with a parachute. In order for the soldier to reach the ground safely, which choice should the soldier choose? Now let's take a look at an example. Imagine this cup as the soldier and the plastic bag as the parachute. Now we will first try dropping the cup without the plastic bag attached to it. Moving on, we'll drop the cup with the plastic bag attached to it. In the video, we can see that the time taken for the cup to reach the ground is longer when the plastic bag is attached to it. Why do you think this happens? Based on what you have watched, let's think about what factors affect a falling object. We will discuss further about this during our next lesson. Bye!